Let's see here. Think safe. Choose the right personal flotation device. Oh yeah. Hey guys, Bob Fowler here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach. I'm standing on the best flotation device built in the entire industry. From 11 feet to 42 feet. Guess what? I'm standing on a Boston whaler, and this happens to be a 350 Outrage, and 35 feet 6 inches long, 10 foot 10 inch beam, weighs about 13,500 pounds with these three massive 4-stroke 350 Verados. Great boat. We're going to look at some of the features and make a quick run through of the boat, but I want to tell you something. That when you talk about flotation device, there is no flotation device in the boating industry like a Boston whaler. Let me tell you why. This boat, you can put 14 people on it, fill it completely with water. Now listen to this. With 14 people completely filled with water up to the gunnels, you can still add an additional 5,000, count it, 5,000 pounds on top of all of that. And not only would not the boat go down, it'll set level in the water and hold all three of those motors high enough to bring you home. Now that's thinking safe, isn't it? That is a flotation device like none other. Let me tell you what difference that makes. There are a lot of great boats out there, and they're top tier boats like a Boston whaler, but they're not built like a Boston whaler. Even the 1% that say that there are they won't sink, they're level flotation boats. Let me tell you what happens. If you were to put people and water in that boat and it was compromised, the back end would go down so much that the motors would be underwater. Now the boat would not go down, but the motors would, so you're dead in the water. Think safe, personal flotation device. Boston whaler from 11 feet to 42 feet. Now let's look at this 350 Outrage and see some of the great features of this boat. Well, there you have it. Think safe. Choose the right personal flotation device. I just took you through. Oh, you know what? Mr. Cameraman, we missed this entirely. Look at this. All the drawers, electric grill. Well, to say it any better way, I don't know how. A Boston whaler from 11 feet to 42 feet. This has been the 350 Outrage, the best flotation device in the boating industry. This is Bob Fowler with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Give us a call, 527-5645. 527-5645, area code 850. Goodbye for now.